Kamachelo e kaunti ma Kericho jopuonj mag JSS ma Kericho oramoni gibiro timo ng'anyo pile ka pile nyaka duol ma ochung' ne ndiko jopuonj pacho ka TSC wiji ywak margi mar medo gi osara. Kanotelgi kod jatend kupet bade ma Kericho nyadendi Mary Rotich, jopuonjego osebedo ka ywak ni osara manok ema giyudo. Kendo gidwaro ni jatelo maduong' mar TSC owinj ywak margi. Mano kato ng'eto mar do mar medo gi osara kendo ndiko gi e yo maongirore.
But our issue here is 17,000 enough?
No!
What is 17,000? And yet they travel, the schools they are teaching has no even teachers' quarters. So they have to travel for a long distance, to and fro, with no lunch. And then at the end of the month, the gift that they get to take back home is 17,000 shillings.
What is a sitting allowance?
Surely. This is just but a single sitting allowance for a government official. So we are calling out TSC to listen to these teachers. It is no longer business as usual.
Yes.
In fact, they are determined we are not going back to class.
Yes.
We'll be here today, we'll be here tomorrow, until Teacher Service Commission listens to us.
Yes. So waheshimu koti. We need to be confirmed.
Yeah.
We graduated 2014, 2016. We worked for the BOM almost 7 years. We are now coming to internship for 2 years. That is so unfair. Ama politicians pia na hao wakuja wafanye internship ama waende